Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel Tyro's buddy Anila. Today we are going to be talking about the remedy for dark uneven looking lips. Many people are soft conscious about their state of lips. Luckily, all you need is 2 ingredients to make your lips lighter and healthier. Here I am taking 1 full beetroot. This ingredient contains folic acid and other natural antioxidants. They are great for whitening and brightening the lips. Now I am going to cut this beetroot. Peel the beetroot completely. Beetroot increases the blood flow in your lips, and many experts say that the juice of the beetroot gives you the pink soft lips. If you find this recipe easy so far, please subscribe to my channel. Now it's done. Now it's the time to grate the beetroot. Let's take a mixie and cut the beetroot into pieces. Now we'll grate it. We'll grind it. Yeah, I have grinded the beetroot. Just see it. I'll use the strainer to strain out the beetroot juice. Squeeze the juice well. Can you see the color? The same way you have to squeeze all the beetroot juice. Can you see I have done? I have squeezed this using a cloth for squeezing it completely. Now it's time to cook it. Heat a pan. Drop the liquid. Let it boil. Stir occasionally. The consistency must be like this. Switch off the flame. Let it cool down. After this, we are going to incorporate our second ingredient, petroleum jelly. Take a container like this. Now, we'll pour the mixture. Can you see this? Add Vaseline, that is a petroleum jelly, original petroleum jelly. Mix it well. Petroleum jelly will moisturize your lips well. We are using it here for moisturizing our lips. We will store this mixture for about 8 hours in the refrigerator. Now I have taken it out. Let's see how it is. Can you see the texture? Now I'll apply and show you. Can you see how it is? It's really pigmented. Use this and see the results. You will surely thank me later. I hope this remedy will be helpful and useful for you. Please share the simple remedy with your friends and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.